His Imperial Majesty, Ooni of Ife, has led Yoruba Obas to endorse Tinubu as preferred presidential candidate. The Conference of Yoruba Obas unanimously endorsed Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the presidential candidate of the All Progressives Congress, APC, for Saturday's presidential election, noting that the former governor of Lagos State is eminently qualified to lead Nigeria. The traditional rulers of the Yoruba people were from the states of Ekiti, Lagos, Kogi, Kwara, Ogun, Ondo, Osun, and Oyo, disclosed this in a communiqué issued following their recent meeting at the International Conference Center of the University of Ibadan in Oyo State. According to reports, the traditional rulers were pleased with Tinubu's presentation at the meeting. They acknowledged Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu's solid democratic credentials and unwavering commitment to the consolidation of democracy in Nigeria, as stated in the communiqué.